counties in Indiana. Northeastern Warren County, southwestern Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Carrollton, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Xenia, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Springboro, Franklin, Bellbrook, Moraine, Carlisle, Oakwood, West Carrollton, Waynesville, Riverside, Spring Valley, Corwin, Centerville, Lytle, and Mount Holly. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 40 and 53. West Central. Central Champaign County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Urbana, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Urbana, Mechanicsburg, Woodstock, Mutual, Cable, Westville, Mingo, Catawba Station, Kennard, Lippincott, and Powhatan. Chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly. Thunderstorm warning for eastern Clark County, central Madison County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Springfield, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include London, West Jefferson, South Charleston, Choctaw Lake, Harmony, Lisbon, Brighton, Lafayette, South Vienna, Catawba, Newport, Interstate 70 at U.S. Route 42, Interstate 70 at State Route 56, Madison Lake, and Plattsburgh. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile marker 61 and 82.